very carefully pull them apart.
Oh.
Let's have a look at that one. So do you know what flower that is?
A trumpet.
It's one with a trumpet. Which flower has a trumpet?
These ones.
Those ones. Can you remember what they are?
Daffodils.
Daffodil. Look. To get them off is to bend the paper underneath and then very gently lift them with the tweezers. That's it. So we're lifting them and then putting them in place. And just very gently dropping them on. Yeah. Whoops. Where we want to place our flowers. And then we're adding a little bit of PVA glue to the paper. And then very, very gently applying the flower. The more that you touch the flowers, the more they sort of break, and the moisture from your hands is not good for them. So we're going to try and do it with as little touching as possible. You could use the tweezers to push things down rather than your fingers. That's it. Okay.